Hello guys, you are welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis, and today we would be looking at UNISWAP, right? UNISWAP currently ranked at 23 and steadily pushing up. I would be giving you all the latest analysis and price predictions and regards UNISWAP, so sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Remember, it's the Altcoin Doctor here, bringing you the latest analysis, price predictions and trades on your favorite coin. So if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, and without further ado, let us move to the chart, right? So we are on the chart for UNISWAP or UNI versus the USD dollars. We are on the daily time frame and Binance is the data source, and we have all our levels right here drawn. We have another level here, right? So we have drawn all our levels right here for UNI. As you can see, right, levels are where we see touch points right here, right, where the most touch points are, right? And so we have been seeing these levels for UNI, and also we also have these EMAs on our screen, right? So this is the 200 EMA, and so we also have the 80, 70, 60, 50 and 40 and right down to 20, right? And these EMAs helps us to give us a clear picture of what is going on with UNI or any cryptocurrency asset. So we saw right here prices pushed up exactly to the 200 EMA, got rejected, and since then we have been pushing over to Goblin Town, right? And so we saw this huge push right down here exactly on the 11th of July, which we are saying this is a very, very bullish reversal pattern, which we have seen the price of UNI push up. As you can see, currently we are getting rejected exactly also at the 200 EMA. As you can see, the 200 EMA has been a very, very huge resistance for UNISWAP for quite a while, and that's why we have these EMAs to help us determine what will happen next. As you can see, so for UNI, we should be expecting at least some little consolidation and then probably a push to the upside, right? We should see UNI at this level of about the $6.3 level in the next few days, as we could see huge consolidation right here before a push to this $6.3. So it's just a matter of time. Yes, we are getting rejected at this 200 EMA, but I believe we are bullish, and I'll give you reasons why, right? If you see right here on the volume oscillator, so the volume oscillator helps us understand what is happening behind the scenes. As you can see right down from here, we have been having huge sales. So the red represents strong sales and the yellow represents weak buys, and so we have been having strong sales and weak buys, which showed us that we probably are still below the EMAs, and so we are still bearish. Currently, as you can see, we flipped right here to strong buys, which means we are having more buyers than sellers, and the selling pressure is getting stronger, right? We saw the bears coming with sales, but as you can see, the bulls have taken over and we are still seeing strong buys. So we could just see some little consolidation before a push right down to this $6.3 level, which will be a huge whopping 16% to the upside for UNISWAP. So that's the analysis for UNISWAP for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be having daily analysis for UNISWAP. So thank you for watching and have a blessed day.